Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
ZTE Nubia is preparing the latest Red Magic 11 series. This is the flagship phone of the company with high-end specifications. The smartphone will arrive with one of the most powerful chipsets.
It features the Snapdragon 888 Gen 5 chipset.
In the order to deliver the extreme performance with the addition of an octa-core CPU. And for best graphics results, there will be GPU of Adreno
Display will be AMOLED.
with 6.85 big display screen size. There is no doubt that the Red Magic 11 Pro will be powered by a big more than a 7000 mAh battery. There will be a massive triple camera setup. The Red Magic 11 Pro will be 3 massive RAM options 12, 16 and 24 GB. And internal memory will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB.
That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.